Saving money is making you poorer every day. The math will shock you. Before we start, join our WhatsApp channel and download free finance and budgeting templates. Your $10,000 in savings just lost $740 this year. You did nothing wrong. Inflation did it for you. Savings accounts pay 0.5%. Inflation steals 3%. You're losing 2.5% annually. In 10 years, your 10K buying power becomes 7,440. You're getting poorer safely. Keep 3 to 6 months' expenses and savings for emergencies. Everything else, invest. S&P 500 averages 10% yearly. That same 10K becomes $25,937 in 10 years. Saving protects. Investing builds. First $1,000. Open a Roth IRA. Buy VTI or VOO, Total Market Index funds. Set Auto Invest 50-month. That's it. You're now building wealth while you sleep instead of losing it while you save. Tag someone who needs to hear this. How much are you losing to safe savings? Comment below. Subscribe for tomorrow's retirement hack at 8 a.m. Stop saving, start building.